Welcome to your Shapeshooter tutorial. The therapeutic goal of this activity is to help your brain relearn the ability to smoothly control your wrist and hand. Your goal is to try to score as many points as possible by navigating your ship around the square arena and destroying as many enemies as possible. During this activity, your movements control the spaceship's direction of travel. At the beginning, the device will start by providing a little bit of assistance. This may move your hand up. Moving your wrist down into flexion will make the ship turn counterclockwise. Moving your wrist up into extension will make the ship turn clockwise. Keeping your wrist and hand in the center of your range of motion will make the ship travel in a straight path. To turn the ship faster, you simply need to move your wrist and hand up into higher degrees of flexion or extension.